Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 2 leaked pets coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so if we go into the Prodigy wiki, we can see that First Mate Philip has found 2 leaked pets. These look like they're going to be Pumpkin Fest pets, and they're kind of like scarecrows. So this one's a little weird. It kind of looks like a rabbit, but not really. So I don't really know what it's supposed to be. And then the second one I really like. It's like a scarecrow. It kind of looks like the Puppet Master in a way. And so it has like some orange eyes. It's wearing a scarecrow hat. It's got like a kind of scary smile. I guess this would be a coat, maybe. It's the same color as this. And then it also has this like little stitched on patch up here. Here's the first one in the CDM, and here's the second one. And there's currently no spine for it, so we aren't going to know what those, or what the first one's gonna look like, or what it's supposed to be until closer to when it actually releases. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.